I have my ski poles.
Oh, those are your ski poles?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But
What's your helmet for? What kind of helmet is that?
it's for skiing.
Oh, it's your ski helmet?
Yeah, this is my ski buggers.
Those are your ski buggers?
Yeah, this helps me stop
Oh, okay.
by getting
Okay,
careful.
where's your ski boots?
These are my ski boots.
Oh, okay, well get your ski boots in there. Oh.
They fit like ski boots. They
Mm-hmm.
are brand new. You don't want to break them if you slide.
Oh, okay.
These are my ski boots.
Mm.
And this is my rake.
Okay, well you just need 2 ski poles. You need one for each hand.
And one more for just in case.
Oh, okay. Okay, get on your skis.
I'll grab my suitcase.
Oh, your suitcase?
Yeah, my foot is top. And when I say 1, 2, 3, blast off.
You're gonna ski across the floor?
And when I say 1,
Show mommy
3,
skiing across the floor.
and when I say 1, 2, 3, 4,
What's the bag for?
blast off. And I say 1, 2, 3, and I say 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I'm going on my trip. Skiing, skating on slippery ice, skiing, slipping, skidding across. I'm going to ski. This is,
Want me to hold something for you?
yeah,
What do you want me to hold for you?
this.
That one? Oh, okay. Want me to hold your bag too?
No. I didn't get it by myself.
Okay, get in there by yourself. Okay, now ski over to mommy. Let me see you ski over to mommy.
My skis have to get in. These are my ski boots. Come on,
Okay.
suitcase.
Can I see you ski over to mommy? Here, I'll hold your ski boot. You just ski over to mommy.
Whoa.
Okay.
I can get my boot out here into the snow. I cannot get my boot.
Are you skiing or snowboarding, Nicholas?
This has my ski poles.
What about your other ski?
You carry it.
You want me to carry your other ski?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'll hold that. I'll hold that ski pole. Watch out. Watch out, Mommy!
Okay.
Okay.
I'll put a thing over so I won't hold that. This is my thing. This is what I hold. My arms. Lashes. This is a rocket. I'll show you over. This is a kind of rocket that shoots over each. It's a cardboard box.
A cardboard rocket.
I'm going to ski. I'm going with my ski poles. My boots help make my toes comfortable. They cut up. But first, let's put my skis here. Daddy, will you want this bottle?
Okay.
Because I want to make a ski pole.
There you go.
I'll get my ski adventure ready. I get the ski on tall mountains. But first, I must need skis. And some of these. The tools on my skis that show I go fast. Scissors. These are what cut off the troops. When I place sticker on my thing, that means it's good. But don't that is so I'll just do something with my skis here.
You're gonna cut your skis?
No, I'm just giving the power for them.
Oh, you're giving them power?
Yeah, so they could ski like brand new skis. I'm trying to make them go fast. Cutting off the gear. That's all I'm doing, cutting off the gear. Because if I don't, it will be like a fire truck ski pole. So that's why I'm doing it. Just cutting off all of this gear. Sometimes it will look like a fire truck. I'm cutting off all this gear. This gear is causing me trouble on my skis. Causes me trouble.
Okay.
How is causing me trouble? This is my new invention book. This helps me know what sticker I'm gonna put. And then I'll put the drawing on to show that I'm the first on the hill to go ski. This helps me know that this book helps me know which sticker I'm gonna put. This thing helps me know which sticker